Stop me if this sounds familiar. There's someone who lives rent-free in your head. Maybe it's an ex who left you questioning everything. Maybe it's that person who seemed perfect but slipped through your fingers. Or maybe it's someone who's playing hot and cold, leaving you dizzy from the emotional whiplash. You lie awake at night crafting scenarios where they come crawling back, begging for another chance. You imagine them realizing what they lost, desperately trying to win you over. But here's what's really happening. While you're busy fantasizing about their return, you're bleeding energy, confidence, and precious time. But what if I told you there's a way to flip this entire script? What if the very person consuming your thoughts could become magnetically drawn to you, not through manipulation or games, but through a fundamental shift in how you exist in this world? Today we're diving deep into the invisible forces that govern attraction, the energy dynamics that most people never understand, and the counterintuitive truth that might just change everything. Let's start with a truth that might sting. Desperation is the world's most effective repellent. Every time you check their social media, every time you craft the perfect text just to get their attention, every time you rearrange your life hoping they'll notice, you're broadcasting a frequency that says, "I'm incomplete without you." And that frequency? It pushes people away faster than a fire alarm. But here's the fascinating part. The same principles that govern magnetic fields in physics apply to human attraction. Opposite poles attract, but only when there's the right balance of distance and force. Get too close with the wrong energy and you create resistance. Master the right energy and you become irresistible. This isn't about playing hard to get. That's just another form of manipulation. This is about becoming genuinely magnetic by understanding something most people never learn. Your internal state determines your external reality. We're going to explore 5 core principles that will transform you from someone who chases to someone who attracts, from someone who needs validation to someone who radiates such authentic confidence that validation flows to them naturally. Have you ever walked into a room and immediately felt someone's mood without them saying a word? That anxious person in the corner seems to have an invisible stay away sign, while that confident individual across the room draws people like honey attracts bees. This isn't mystical nonsense. It's basic human psychology. We're constantly broadcasting our internal state through micro-expressions, body language, vocal tonality, and something even more subtle, our energetic presence. Here's the problem. When you're obsessed with getting someone back, your energy screams scarcity. It says, "I don't believe I'm worthy of love, so I need this specific person to validate my existence." People can sense this desperation from miles away, and it's deeply unattractive because it suggests you don't even believe in your own value. The transformation begins when you understand this fundamental truth. The energy of neediness repels, while the energy of completeness attracts. Think about the most charismatic people you know. They don't chase conversations, they create them. They don't seek attention, they naturally command it. They're not trying to prove their worth, they simply embody it. Consider this real-world example. Have you ever noticed how single people often attract more romantic interest when they're genuinely happy being alone? It's not coincidence. When you radiate the energy of "I'm complete with or without you," you become magnetic because you're offering connection, not seeking rescue. The practical shift. Instead of asking, "How can I get them back?" start asking, "How can I become so genuinely fulfilled that whether they return becomes irrelevant?" This isn't about pretending you don't care, it's about genuinely building a life so amazing that their absence stops feeling like a loss and starts feeling like their loss. Here's where most people get it backwards. They think attraction is about focusing intensely on the other person, learning their interests, adapting to their preferences, becoming what they think that person wants. This approach is romantic suicide. Real attraction works in reverse. The most magnetic people are completely absorbed in their own growth, passions, and purpose. They're so busy becoming their best selves that they don't have time to obsess over who's paying attention. Let me paint you a picture. Person A spends their evenings stalking their ex's social media, analyzing every post for hidden meanings and crafting casual texts that took an hour to write. Person B spends their evening at a photography class, completely absorbed in learning to capture light, surrounded by like-minded creatives, laughing until their cheeks hurt. Which person would you rather be around? Which person seems more interesting, more alive, more attractive? The magnetic mindset shift. When you become genuinely obsessed with your own evolution, something incredible happens. You stop being available for games because you're too busy playing a bigger game, the game of becoming extraordinary. This isn't selfish. It's essential. You can't give what you don't have. If you're not fascinated by your own life, why would anyone else be? Practical application. Choose 3 areas of your life that genuinely excite you. Maybe it's fitness, creativity, career advancement, or learning new skills. Commit to these areas with the same intensity you've been putting into thinking about them. Watch what happens to your energy, your confidence, and yes, your attractiveness to others. The irony is beautiful. The moment you stop trying to get their attention is often the moment you truly capture it. This might be the hardest section to accept, but it's also the most liberating. Letting go isn't giving up, it's leveling up. Most people confuse letting go with resignation or defeat. They think it means accepting less or settling for loneliness. This couldn't be further from the truth. Real letting go is an act of supreme confidence. It's saying, I want what's meant for me, and I trust that the universe has better plans than my limited perspective can imagine. Here's the psychological reality. When you're holding on tight to someone or something, you're operating from fear of loss, fear of being alone, fear that this is your only chance at happiness. This fear energy is palpable and deeply unattractive. But when you let go, you're operating from abundance, the knowing that you're worthy of genuine love and that if this person isn't it, someone better is coming. The neuroscience behind letting go. Your brain is wired to focus on what you resist. Ever try not to think about a pink elephant? The harder you try, the more it dominates your thoughts. The same thing happens when you're gripping onto someone who's pulling away. The tighter you hold, the more mental real estate they occupy, and the more desperate your energy becomes. Letting go frees up this mental and emotional bandwidth. Suddenly, you're not spending hours analyzing their behavior or crafting perfect responses. You're present in your actual life, available for real opportunities and genuine connections. The practical process. Acknowledge what you're afraid of losing. Recognize that your worth isn't determined by one person's choice. Redirect your focus to what you're gaining. Freedom, self-respect, availability for better matches. Trust that releasing what's not meant for you makes space for what is. The beautiful paradox. People are often most attracted to you when you're least attached to the outcome. When you're genuinely okay with or without them, you become irresistible because you're offering connection from strength, not neediness. Let's address the elephant in the room. Most people who struggle with attraction have a fundamental self-worth problem. They're trying to get external validation to fill an internal void. But it's like trying to fill a bucket with a hole in the bottom. No amount of outside love can fix inside emptiness. True attraction begins with self-attraction. If you don't believe you're worth pursuing, why would anyone else? But self-worth isn't just positive thinking or daily affirmations in the mirror. It's built through concrete actions that prove to yourself that you're valuable, capable, and worthy of respect. The compound effect of self-investment. Every time you choose the gym over the couch, you're building evidence of your discipline. Every time you learn a new skill, you're expanding your sense of capability. Every time you maintain boundaries, you're reinforcing your value. These actions create a feedback loop. As you become more competent, confident, and self-possessed, you naturally become more attractive, not just physically but energetically. You start carrying yourself differently, speaking with more conviction, and attracting higher quality people into your life. The confidence paradox. Confident people aren't confident because they never feel insecure. They're confident because they've learned to act powerfully despite their insecurities. They've built evidence that they can handle challenges, disappointments, and setbacks. Real-world application physical mastery. Take control of your health and fitness. There's something primal about physical strength and vitality that translates to attractiveness. Intellectual growth. Become genuinely interesting by learning things that fascinate you. Curiosity is incredibly attractive. Emotional intelligence. Learn to process your feelings without dumping them on others. Emotional stability is magnetic. Social contribution. Find ways to add value to other people's lives. Nothing builds confidence like knowing you make a positive difference. The transformation. When you're genuinely impressed with who you're becoming, others can't help but be impressed too. You stop seeking validation because you're creating it internally, You stop chasing because you become worth chasing. Now we get to the advanced level, developing a presence so compelling that people are naturally drawn to your energy before you even speak. Magnetic presence isn't about being the loudest person in the room or the most outgoing. Some of the most magnetic people are quiet, but they have this quality of being fully present, completely comfortable with themselves, and genuinely interested in the world around them. The foundation of magnetic presence, authenticity combined with emotional mastery. You're not performing a version of yourself, you are yourself, but the best version. You're not hiding your flaws, you've integrated them into your wholeness. Energy awareness. Magnetic people understand that their internal state affects everyone around them. If they're anxious, others feel it. If they're confident and calm, others feel that too. They take responsibility for the energy they bring into every space. The attention paradox. Magnetic people aren't trying to get attention. They're fully present with whatever has their attention. This presence is so rare in our distracted world that it naturally draws people in. Practical magnetic behaviors. Deep listening. Instead of waiting for your turn to speak, actually absorb what others are saying. Genuine curiosity. Ask questions because you actually want to know the answers. Emotional regulation. Stay calm and centered regardless of external chaos. Purposeful movement. Move through the world with intention, not hurry or hesitation. Comfortable silence. Be at ease with pauses in conversation or moments of quiet. The ripple effect. When you embody magnetic presence, it affects every relationship in your life. Friends seek your company more. Colleagues respect you more, and yes, romantic interests find themselves inexplicably drawn to you. The ultimate realization: the person you want to attract is also seeking someone with genuine magnetic presence. By developing this quality, you're not just becoming attractive to them, you're becoming attractive to anyone who values depth, authenticity, and emotional strength. Your magnetic transformation starts today. Here's the truth nobody wants to tell you. You already have everything you need to become irresistibly attractive. It's not hidden in some secret technique or manipulation strategy. It's buried under layers of insecurity, neediness, and the false belief that your worth comes from other people's approval. Your mission, should you choose to accept it, is this. Week 1, Energy Audit. Document your energy for 1 week. Every time you catch yourself thinking about them, redirect that energy to something that builds you up. Track how many times you check their social media, and replace each check with a push-up, a page of reading, or a moment of gratitude. Week 2. Self-focus. Intensive. Choose one area of your life that excites you and dedicate serious energy to it. Sign up for that class, start that project, or commit to that fitness goal. Make your life so interesting that you don't have time to obsess. Week 3. Letting go practice. Write down everything you're trying to control about this situation. Then ceremonially release it, burn the list, bury it, or throw it in the ocean. Make a commitment to trust the process instead of forcing outcomes. Week 4. Magnetic Presence Challenge. Focus entirely on being the most authentic, present version of yourself in every interaction. Don't try to impress anyone. Just be genuinely you, but the best version, the 30-day promise. If you commit to this process for 30 days, I guarantee 2 things will happen. You'll become genuinely more attractive to everyone around you, not just the person you're thinking about. Whether or not they come back will start feeling less important because you'll be falling in love with your own life. The ultimate test. You'll know you've mastered this when you can honestly say, I hope they're happy, and I'm genuinely okay if that happiness doesn't include me, because I've built something beautiful for myself. That's not giving up, that's growing up. And paradoxically, that's often when people realize what they've lost and come running back. But by then, you might just realize you've outgrown the need for their validation entirely. Your magnetic transformation begins the moment you decide you're worth the investment. Are you ready to become the person others can't help but be drawn to? The choice is yours. The power has always been yours. It's time to use it.